Do you have a vanilla Visa gift card and you want to be able to use it on eBay? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to explain to you step by step exactly how you can use your vanilla Visa gift card on eBay. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step to make it work, just so you know. So what I did was that I actually went into the eBay community to actually see if anybody has been able to use their Visa gift card on eBay. And as you can see, this person actually writes like this: you can use a Visa gift card just like a regular card. When you're ready to check out, click on the credit debit card for payments and enter your details. So basically, if you follow along on this one right here, then what you're going to do is to just simply log into your eBay account, click on the payment method section. It's going to be somewhere in your settings on your account, and then just click on credit and debit card for your payments and add your Visa gift card as a payment method to eBay, of course. But if you're not able to do so and you're just not able to actually add it as your payment method, then what you're going to do is to wait for the checkout. So when you're ready to check out, then just select your select that credit and debit card as a payment option, and then just enter your details that you're seeing on your Visa gift card and that they ask for, basically. So also have your Visa gift card ready so you can actually see all the details that they require you to put in before making a purchase. So that is basically exactly how to do this. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.